Let's explore on how to get an active developer badge on Discord. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to log into our Discord account. If you haven't done so, why not sign up and register? And once you have done that, log in using your credentials. Now we hover on how to basically get an active developer badge here on the Discord platform. Now, if you are wondering what is a developer badge on Discord, basically it's a special badge that identifies a user as a verified bot developer or application dev. It's a recognition from Discord to acknowledge developers who have created applications or bots using the Discord API. Alright? But I just wanted to mention that having the developer badge doesn't grant any specific permissions or special features within Discord itself. However, it serves as a mark or credibility or like a small validation for the user's work in creating and maintaining applications or bots that integrates well with Discord. Now, while the badge will be available for the foreseeable future, okay? Now, if you want to check the maintaining eligibility section for more info, just go here, all right? Now, are you eligible? So the active dev badge is available for any developer or team that owns at least one active application, verified and unverified alike. Now, for your app to be considered active, it will need to have executed an application command within the last 30 days. All right? If you don't have an active app yet, why not sign up here? Now, when you click on that, you will be directed to a new page. All right? And after doing so, let's move forward. Now, here's where you get one. If you or your team have an active app, head to the developer portal to grab your badge, which is the page earlier. All right? There you should find a prompt to join the active developer program and claim your badge by following these steps. All right? Select an active app and then designate a community server and choose a developer news channel. Now, select an active app. First, you gotta select an app from the drop down, and any active app will be eligible for as long as it has received a command within the past 30 days. All right, that's one thing. The next is if you have an active app and you feel you should be eligible for the active developer badge, please allow at least 24 hours for your app's activity status to be updated. And of course, you need to designate a community server. For example, your app support server, app community server, or app development server. Now, in order for a server to appear in the server selection menu, it needs to be set as community server, and you need to have admin permission in that server, all right? And if you don't see any servers in the support server list, make sure the one you are looking for is set as community server. So here's some information on how to enable the community feature. Now choose a developer news channel. Finally, select the channel within the server for the developer news channel to appear in. This will allow for updates about Discord API and developer news to be sent right to your server's channel. Once these steps are complete, you should see your new active developer badge on your profile. Something like this one, alright? You have claimed your active developer badge, alright? Now, if you have questions about you are in a team but can't claim the badge, simply, if an app is not owned by you, you're a team member working on the application, you can claim the badge only if it's owned by a developer team in the developer portal. If the bot is currently owned by an individual, they'll need to transfer it to the dev team and invite you to that team in order to claim the badge. And what kinds of commands qualify? Only applications commands qualify. It refers to slash commands and context menu commands, alright? Legacy prefix based commands do not count, or nor do other kinds of API interactions such as these one, alright? And if you run an application command but it's still ineligible, alright, you just go to user settings, go to privacy and safety, and at least 24 hours needs to pass after they detect a command. So make sure to wait for at least 24 hours, all right? Now, if you want to remove a badge, just revisit the developer portal, which is this one. And if you still have more questions about the getting an active developer badge here in Discord, just contact the support team and they'll be more than glad to provide assistance on you. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.